Ready to upgrade your commute or weekend adventures? These electric bikes will change the way you move, faster, smoother, and with less effort. The Maxfoot MF25 electric bike immediately caught my attention with its sleek design and powerful performance. It's clear this bike is built for riders who want a blend of speed and comfort without breaking the bank. The lightweight aluminum frame makes handling easy, while its integrated battery ensures a clean look and longer rides. What really stands out is the motor's smooth acceleration and the pedal assist system, which adapts perfectly to your effort. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling moderate hills, this bike offers a ride that feels both natural and exhilarating. The LCD display is intuitive, showing speed, distance, and battery level at a glance. Riding the Maxfoot MF25, I felt an immediate sense of freedom and efficiency. It's perfect for daily commutes or weekend escapes, letting you cover more ground with less fatigue. Have you ever wondered how effortless cycling can be with just the right support? One thing to keep in mind is that the tires are more suited for paved surfaces, so if you're planning more rugged off-road adventures, you might want to consider additional tire options. Still, for urban and suburban use, this bike does its job impressively. If you want an electric bike that balances style, power, and user-friendliness, the Maxfoot MF25 is definitely worth considering. Imagine arriving at your destination feeling fresh and energized every time. The Escute electric bike surprised me right out of the box with its compact frame and surprisingly robust build for the price. It's designed for urban riders who want a no-fuss, efficient way to get around. The minimalist style doesn't compromise functionality. It comes equipped with a reliable motor and a decent battery capacity. This bike's standout feature is its affordability paired with practical range and speed. The pedal assist feature works well, making your ride smoother and less tiring, especially on longer trips or slight inclines. I found the bike easy to maneuver in tight city spaces, which makes daily commuting a breeze. What's great is how it instantly makes cycling more accessible, even if you're not in peak shape or don't want to arrive sweaty at work. Doesn't it feel good to have a bike that basically does the hard work for you without emptying your wallet? On the downside, the bike seat could be a bit more cushioned for long rides, but that's a minor issue that can be fixed with an aftermarket upgrade. For its price point, the Escute delivers impressive value if you're looking for a practical and budget-friendly electric bike that gets you where you need to go with ease. Escute is a smart choice. Picture yourself gliding through traffic without stress or hassle. The Deep-Hour electric bike caught my eye immediately thanks to its rugged frame and sporty look. It feels like a bike built for both city streets and light trails, offering versatility that's hard to find at this price. The motor is powerful and responsive, giving you a noticeable boost when pedaling. During my rides, I appreciated the adjustable pedal assist modes and the large clear LCD screen that keeps all essential info visible. The battery charges relatively quickly and provides enough range to cover most daily needs comfortably. The tires are sturdy and provide good grip on various surfaces. Using the Deep-Hour, I felt a confident sense of control and power, making even longer rides feel manageable and fun. Isn't it amazing how a well-designed electric bike can turn everyday travel into a mini adventure? While the bike is solid, it is a bit on the heavier side, which might make carrying it upstairs less convenient. However, this weight contributes to its stability on the road. If you want an electric bike that blends performance, comfort, and durability, the Deep-Hour is an excellent option. Imagine setting out on your next ride knowing you have both power and reliability at your fingertips. The TST electric bike impresses with its smart design and user-friendly features. It feels like a bike made for anyone who wants to ditch the car for shorter trips and enjoy a more active lifestyle. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight enough to handle daily use without strain. What I found particularly appealing was the smooth pedal assist and the throttle option, providing flexibility depending on how much effort you want to put in. The battery life is solid for city rides, and the included front light adds a safety bonus for night travel. Riding the TST, I noticed how it reduces the strain on knees and joints, making cycling accessible for all ages and fitness levels. Who wouldn't want a bike that helps you stay active while keeping the ride comfortable? The only slight drawback is that the bike's suspension is minimal, so on rougher roads the ride can feel a bit stiff. Still, for smooth urban streets, it's a great companion. If you're after a reliable and straightforward electric bike that covers the basics excellently, the TST is a dependable pick. Imagine how much easier your daily routes will feel with this bike by your side. The Ubike Foldable electric bike caught my attention because of its compact, foldable design. Perfect for city dwellers with limited storage or those who want to combine cycling with public transport. Despite its small frame, it packs a punch with a decent motor and battery system. I loved how easy it was to fold and carry, making it ideal for commuters. The pedal assist is smooth and responsive, and the bike feels surprisingly stable when riding. The handlebars and seat adjust easily, accommodating different rider heights comfortably. Using the Ubike, I felt a real sense of freedom to explore without worrying about parking or storage issues. Isn't it convenient to have an electric bike that fits just about anywhere? One consideration is that the wheels are smaller than typical bikes, which might affect ride smoothness on rough roads. But for city streets and paved paths, it works wonderfully. If you need a versatile, portable electric bike that adapts to your lifestyle, the Ubike Foldable is a fantastic choice. Picture yourself effortlessly hopping on and off trains or buses with this bike in tow. The Joyoung ROR electric bike stands out with its robust frame and classic styling. It's clear this bike is built to last, with components that feel solid and well thought out. The 56-volt motor offers reliable power, helping you tackle hills and long distances without much effort. What impressed me most was the bike's smooth ride and intuitive controls. The pedal assist feels natural, and the battery life supports extended outings without constant recharging. The seat is comfortably padded, making longer rides enjoyable. Riding the Joyoung ROR made me realize how much easier commuting can be when you have consistent power support. Have you ever wished your bike could handle every route with ease and comfort? The only minor gripe is that the bike is a bit heavy, so lifting it or loading it into a vehicle requires some effort. But this weight adds to its stability and road presence. If you want an electric bike that combines durability, performance, and comfort, the Joyoung ROR is a reliable partner for your daily journeys. Imagine the confidence you'll feel riding a bike that just keeps going. The DTTF6 PRO electric bike caught my eye thanks to its sporty look and practical features. It's designed for riders who want a swift, responsive bike for urban commuting with a touch of adventure. The motor delivers a satisfying boost, and the battery life is enough for multiple trips without worry. I really appreciated the bike's ergonomic design and the intuitive LCD display that keeps you informed without distraction. The tires provide good traction, and the suspension system absorbs minor bumps well, enhancing ride comfort. Using the DTTF6 Pro, I felt energized and confident, knowing the bike could handle daily errands or weekend rides with equal ease. Isn't it great to have a bike that matches your active pace and lifestyle? One small downside is that the assembly instructions could be clearer, but once set up, the bike performs reliably. This is a small trade-off for a bike with such good value. If you want an electric bike that combines sportiness, comfort, and affordability, the DTTF6 Pro is definitely worth a closer look. Imagine zipping through your city with style and power right at your fingertips.